TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut. Today we're taking a look at the DREVO caliber mechanical keyboard. It is a cheap as chips keyboard, around £60, and honestly for the price it's hard to really fault it. There's a few niggling issues, but apart from that I'm quite happy with it. Let's dive right in. Firstly, straight out of the box, this is a product that feels premium. The packaging is really nice and you get a collection of little extras such as a coupon for a free DREVO baseball cap, a DREVO sticker and a discount code for your next order, as well as a thank you note. At least I got all of this in my one. I don't know if they'll continue doing this throughout the future. In terms of actual content, the keyboard comes with a micro USB charging cable, a key remover, and of course the keyboard itself, which is protected nicely with a plastic mold, bag, and foam pads. It's clear that DREVO are trying to imitate Razer in this regard, where the packaging is as much a part of the product as the product itself. Speaking of the product, the base of the keyboard is metal, which probably accounts for its 599 gram weight. I opted for the brown switches, which provide tactile feedback but no click. Here's what it sounds like with and without additional O-rings installed. In this clip, I've only installed O-rings in the top row. Connecting it to the computer was really simple as well. You just hold down Function and Q and then connect like any standard Bluetooth keyboard. Q, W and E each represent different types of devices that you can connect to. So Function and any of those three keys will allow you to connect to a computer, a phone or a smart TV and things like that. And all mine just worked flawlessly. It connected and it stayed connected. The RGB features are built into the keyboard and you use a combination of the function key and the insert, home, page up, page down, delete and end keys to choose between the different modes, including a fully customizable mode in which you can choose the color of each key. Function and the arrow keys will affect brightness or animation speed. After using the DREVO for a couple of days, I will admit that I do miss having separate function keys, F1 through 12. Its small form factor though really does make up for that. Having to press, FN and then F1 doesn't matter too much. I will say that I have noticed an odd ringing noise when I'm typing quite quickly. I'm not sure if it's something to do with the metal base against my desk or if it's in my imagination, but I definitely don't get it when I'm using my Razer keyboard, for example. But I do definitely get something on here. It's just something to be aware of. I could be making it up, I don't think I am. The keys do feel nice and responsive and it's easy to type without bottoming out the keys every time. And once I got used to the nearly UK layout, I made very few typos. The battery life lives up to the advertised 20 hours and you can charge from full to empty in around 2. Not bad, as that basically means I plug in the keyboard about once a week. A worthy price for the freedom to move around my desk as needed and for the removal of messy cables. The Bluetooth range could be a little better, however. If I move more than a meter or two away from my computer, it does drop out and struggle to keep up. Having said that, during normal use, I've never noticed any input lag even when gaming, which is an achievement in itself. Overall, I can't speak to the longevity of this keyboard yet, perhaps I'll come back to it at a later time, but I will say for the price point of 60 quid, I'm very happy with this keyboard at the moment and I'm happy to keep using it for the foreseeable future. Nothing on it feels cheap, which is a great achievement for a 60 quid mechanical RGB Bluetooth keyboard. It's crazy. Like I said, I'll happily keep using this. Whether or not it's for you, I don't know. You're gonna have to weigh up the pro and cons, but I don't feel like my money was wasted and I will keep using this for the foreseeable future. So thank you very much for watching, everybody. I hope you found this review useful. If you did, let me know. Drop a like, subscribe, comment, come visit us on Discord, that sort of thing. And hopefully I'll see you all next time for the next review.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.